stop trying to manually budget. The 50-30-20 rule is broken, and digital envelope apps are just a waste of time. What if you could use ChatGPT to build a fully automatic paycheck split in less than 5 minutes? I used one specific prompt to create a system that forces me to save $500 before I can even spend it. This isn't hype. This is AI and wealth. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. Here's the truth. Most budgets fail. They fail because they rely on willpower. You promise yourself you'll move money into your high-yield savings account, but you forget, or something comes up. The goal isn't to be good at budgeting. The goal is to remove yourself from the equation. We are going to use AI to build a set it and forget it system that works for you. Let's start the clock. All right, open up a new ChatGPT window. The magic isn't just what you ask, it's how you ask. We need to give it a role and rules. This is step 1, the context. We're telling it to act as a financial automation consultant. We're also defining the 3-bucket principle we want it to use: fixed bills, savings, and variable spending. This is crucial for automation. Now for step 2, the data. We feed the machine. I'm using a bi-weekly net paycheck of $2,500. I'm listing my exact fixed bills: rent, car payment, insurance. And most importantly, I'm setting my goals, a 20% savings rate, and I'm telling it to prioritize my 401k match first. Never, ever leave that free money on the table. And now, step 3, the output. We ask for a detailed table and the 5-minute action plan to set this up at a real US bank. And just like that, look at this. ChatGPT has broken down our $2,500 bi-weekly check perfectly. It calculated our 20% savings goal. That's $500. It correctly allocated the 5% 401k match first. It sends the rest of the savings to our high-yield savings account. It lists our fixed bills. And it tells us the exact amount left over for everything else. But here's the part that always breaks a budget: variable spending. Food, gas, fun. This number, $400, is what we have left. How do we manage it without stress? We ask the AI to solve it. I'll type: based on the $400 remaining for variable spending, create 3 digital envelopes for 1. Groceries.gas, 2. Guilt-free spending, and 3. Short-term goals. Now you have a clear plan. You're not just trying to spend less. You have an AI-defined target for every dollar. You can set this up in your banking app in 60 seconds. So there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, we used AI to build an automated money machine that prioritizes your wealth before you even see the money. That is the power of AI and wealth. I've put the full, optimized prompt that you saw in this video in the description below. Copy it, paste it, and run your own numbers. It's that simple. If this helped you, subscribe. In the next video, we're going to ask AI to analyze our 401k portfolio to see if it's secretly costing us thousands in hidden fees. You don't want to miss that.